SlowJoe. I've never seen these two play against each other, so it should be interesting.
Yeah, actually, I haven't either.
All right, let's see what the stage is. Oh!
Oh, we go
yes!
to 5M! Yo, this is the best starting stage.
You shoot lasers and camp them.
Yeah, so winner of this match, this is to go into finals, so they're guaranteed at least $322.
Wow.
For the winner of this match. That's huge. Oh my god, the amount of 4%. Time them out.
What is this?
What is this stage? Oh my god.
He's deleting camp him. Oh! Oh, I thought he was messed up there.
Yo, who wants to spend $80 to come here? I do. It's the greatest problem. It's hard to appreciate how that's like you overall energy in the air for the amount of money.
Mario combos. Racking up the down.
Oh!
Is he game? No.
No, he's living. Yo, Chompy going hard in the back. Shoutouts to 112 views, by the way. I gotta put that out there. Alright. We playing on flat.
Gotta be careful of the monkey.
I know, eventually Donkey Kong's gonna pop out. He's just gonna come out and pop up the spring.
SlowJoe! SlowJoe! The tragic life of SlowJoe! SlowJoe! SlowJoe!
Yo, this is absolutely insane right now.
Yeah, it's 2v1. See, at this point, JTWild doesn't need to approach SlowJoe like at all. Just wait for the stage to kill him.
No, they need that monitoring. Yes, you're gonna replace it with CRTV. Dude, yeah, this is just camp. Just camp him.
Oh wow, you jumped right into it.
He's like, yo, give me that fireball to the face. I want it.
Oh.
I think we can see the young three-stock.
I wouldn't doubt it. Will it be JT's first 3-stock set? Oh my god! This stage hates SlowJoe.